An example of a Flex component using the MMX web component architecture that helps highlight the fundamental touchpoints of a very basic Flex and MMX web component can be found at github.com/mivalearn/mmx-example. Looking at the MMX example component, the flex.json file includes all the required values along with a text and color property. Within the advanced properties, the spacing group that is found on all components has been added as well. Finally, at the bottom of the file is a default value for the text input and color property. The scripts.js file begins with the definition of the MMX example using the MMX element from the MMX base web component. Then, within the static getProps function, the code is setting the color property to allow any type of value and setting the default value to blue if no value is available. The theme resource pattern is setting CSS assets to load into the shadow DOM of the web component. In this case, the MMX base and MMX example style sheets, along with the Google Font Inter style sheet, which have all been loaded to the CSS resources section, will load within the shadow DOM. Finally, the web component is being constructed and rendered using slots, and the styles are being rendered in the shadow DOM. Taking a look at the initialization template, the MMX base, MMX text, and MMX example CSS and JavaScript resources are loaded along with a variable that is set so that the resources do not load again. The instance template contains the MMX example custom element. Within the style tag, the spacing advanced property values are printed along with the content from the text property type within the element. When these files are compressed and uploaded to Miva, the example Flex component will be available to use within Page Builder.